Good afternoon and welcome to Peepaw's shop. I want to show you this tool I received from the manufacturer, and they asked me to do a little review on this thing, so let's see what we got. It is an orbital sander, cordless orbital sander, and it comes with a few things. Look here, it's come with a bag. That's going to catch your sawdust there. Like that. Looks like we got some buffing pads. That's going to work well if you're doing some buffing on your car. Got a soft buffer for your car. Applying the wax, getting the wax off. That looks like that might buff some glass or something. Look here. They sent some sandpaper too. They didn't want you to not be able to use it. Got some 240 grit. Got some P180 product for it. Orbital sander. Takes a DeWalt 20 volt battery, which we got something right there for that. Let's see. There we go. All right. Look at that. That's your orbital part right there. We'll put our little sandbag catcher right back there. Now, Kuwzty, like I said, they sent me, asked me to review it. Some of this 60 grit on here. That's a lot rougher. Let's check that. Hey, listen, might not be your primary tool, but it'd be an excellent backup tool for you. Hey, you saw it work. It works pretty good, sands pretty good. 6-inch orbital disc there to work with. And like I said, it came with 3 other pads. What more could you want? Hey, if you're needing an economical orbital sander, this is the one I'm going to recommend for you. But like I said, it might work for a backup for you or anything else. I don't know how what's going to go in the long run. I don't have time to run it for 5 or 6 hours just to see, but it's got a good feel to it. It's easy to manage, easy to control. Looking for an orbital sander. Hey, y'all give this a look. I believe it'll work out well for you. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.